If you have Shiba Inu coins, you may now make purchases on Google. Soon, you will have an abundance of money that will drive you insane. Google's decision to accept Dogecoin, Shiba Inu 8 coin, and other cryptocurrencies as payment for cloud services is seen as a show of support for the cryptocurrency industry. The IT giants backing of cryptocurrencies may boost interest in and use of them. This article will explain why Google, a tech behemoth, now accepts Shiba Inu coins as payment. Keep watching because that's what today's video is all about. Here at Wealthy Coin, we aim to provide you with the required daily intake of Shiba Inu. This is the best resource for learning about Shiba in general. If you want to know what will happen in the crypto market before it happens, you need to subscribe to SHIB News. Before we get started, let's take a look at the graph and see what the price of Shiba is doing on October 21. According to the data, the market for Shiba Inus is currently optimistic. In addition, there appears to be an upward trend in market volatility, which makes the Shiba Inu price more volatile. Due to this fact, the upper limit of the Bollinger Bands, currently at 1,170.77 cents, represents the most formidable obstacle the SHIB must overcome. Bollinger Band's bottom line, at $980.05, provides the SHIB with its most solid support. It looks that the USD/SHIB price has made a bearish crossing below its moving average. Consequently, the price action appears to be heading upward, indicating that the market is continuing to expand. The price is making a last-ditch effort to breach the resistance zone, which might trigger a market reversal. Analysis of the Shiba Inu price displays a relative strength index RSI score of 39, indicating that the cryptocurrency is currently being undervalued. More importantly, the RSI is below the lower neutral zone, following an upward strategy as indicates growing qualities and stands for the preponderance of buying actions. The market for Shibas has entered a complete bullish movement, suggesting that a price turnaround for the breed is possible. In addition, the bulls have established a foothold in the market and look set to keep it. Therefore, there's a tremendous amount of space for the market to expand, allowing for the stabilization of SHIB and the acquisition of more value. We may also predict that the bulls will soon take charge of the market because the market is anticipated to break. Okay, let's get back on track here. Although Google had a negative position on cryptocurrencies prior to June 2021, the tech giant revealed that it was reconsidering a policy to enable cryptocurrencies through a partnership with Coinbase to accept them as payment for its cloud services. In the beginning of 2023, Google will begin to accept cryptocurrency payments. The internet giant revealed at the next conference that it would integrate with Coinbase, the largest cryptocurrency exchange, to enable the use of cryptocurrency payments within Google Cloud. There will first be a small group of Web3 industry customers given access to crypto payments before it is made available to the general public. We want to make creating in Web3 faster and easier. Google Cloud CEO Thomas Kurian was cited as saying, "With the aid of Coinbase, developers can get closer to their goal faster." The company has announced its intention to employ the Coinbase custody service, Prime Coinbase. In addition to now taking cryptocurrency payments, the IT giant has also added a number of crypto-related features and services. If you look up an address in Google, you can see how much money is in that person's Ethereum wallet. Through its relationship with BNB Chain, Google Cloud is helping young Web3 and blockchain companies get off the ground. Coinbase's co-founder and current CEO Brian Armstrong made this statement, "There's no one better to help us realize our goal of establishing a reliable connection to the Web3 ecosystem." Oppenheimer, an analyst at an investment bank, predicts that as the crypto economy grows, more partnerships will be formed inside the crypto ecosystem. As a result, Coinbase may serve as more of a digital asset enabler than just a Bitcoin exchange. Sherburne has announced that they will be releasing a brand new skill for the Sherburne Radio app for iOS, Android, and Alexa. The already alarmingly high rate at which ships are consuming fuel thanks to the app will only increase. Kyburn interestingly reported that 1.36 million SHIB were burned in the last 24 hours. How will these changes affect SHIB's environment and its pricing in the days ahead? Last week, SHIB was up 3%, which is a respectable increase. However, at the time of writing, the yield was down by 6% in the last 7 days. SHIB was trading at 1,170. $0.05 per share at press time, for a total market valuation of $6,450,286,234. The aftermath of the combine may have pushed down the values of various cryptocurrencies, which is a major factor for the fall. But various other indicators were also to blame for SHIB's recent price fall. For instance, in tandem with the decline in daily active addresses, the market value, realized value, and V ratio also fell. These trends are indicative of a negative decline continuing in the days ahead. In addition, CryptoQuant data shows the net deposits on exchanges were high relative to the 7-day average. Increased selling pressure in the market is one possible interpretation. However, when the SHIB's exchange reserve continued to decline, several measures also indicated a trend reversal, possible indicator of reduced demand to sell. The social activity on board has increased dramatically during the past week. That showed there was a lot of buzz about the memo in the crypto community. The daily chart for CoinShip showed conflicting signals, with some indications pointing to a continuation of the downtrend and others indicating a likely reversal of the trend. There was a bearish crossover of the EMA ribbon, which measures the speed and magnitude of price changes, suggesting that prices are likely to fall soon. Another indicator that suggested a bearish bias in the market was the moving average convergence-divergence analysis. While this news was distressing, the minor upward trend in the RSI and the CMF check-in money flow indicators brought some relief. Important details about the upcoming Shiba Inu Layer 2 protocol, including the X Fund and a SHIB swap bonus, have been announced by Sumerium Developer Unification. The Unification Foundation has announced that preparations for the future protocol's 4th alpha and public testnet are still proceeding apace. The release also confirms the current schedule for the aforementioned testnet, which is set to go live by the end of September or shortly thereafter. The deadline for claiming final X funds is almost approaching, and Unification wants to remind everyone about it. The Unification Foundation completed the minting of the final X fund on August 22nd, setting the deadline for the final claim to be September 22nd, 2022. Unused X fund coins will be destroyed by the smart contract after this date. Although the ultimate supply may be smaller than the original tank estimated, Unification also notes that the present supply stands at 9,888 on the SHIB swap bonus. You may have to wait until next year to receive some of your X cash. An X fund yield portal may remain open for withdrawals until early 2023, depending on the fate of a proposed governance proposal. Even if the smart contract will burn any remaining unclaimed tokens from the Shiba Inu swap, X dollars are being contributed to the Unified Community Fund. Tokens will be used to incentivize users to share their ideas and help develop the network. To ensure that the network is prepared for all participants upon its official launch, the initial public beta testnet will largely focus on developers and Delegator. The mainnet launch will be secure thanks to the public beta's fine-tuning of the process of bug fixing and open testing. To further prepare for the launch of the main, all interested validators will be invited to participate in the beta. That's all I have time for today. Please note that we are not a financial advisory service and will not recommend any particular firm for investment on this channel. To put it simply, you have stumbled onto a medium designed to provide educational programming right to your living room. Therefore, before putting your money into anything, we strongly advise you to undertake extensive background study on the subject. We really think you'll enjoy this clip. If you're a Shiba holder, please let us know in the comments and subscribe and like the video. We hope to see you again at Wealthy Coin Buy.